What did I do? Okay, so stream settings. Let's see. Hi, Dong.
Peace be with you.
Thank you, Dong. Nag-live ko.
I heard Asterius.
I don't know how to do live, to do the highlight.
Just
Maybe,
that's the color.
no, that's a different highlight, Dong.
Oh. Anyway.
How to add a stream marker? Dong, pareha ko no si Rai Rai, Dong. 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 Hello, Ting Bells, Dong. Nasa na highlights, ma'am? Dong, tagal ko pala si Rai Rai, Dong. Di ko kamo anang highlights, Dong, Ting Bells. I'm trying to learn. Kasi pag pwede kang mag-highlights para makagawa ka ng, you can make a video, like probably 5 minutes highlights. But I'm trying to follow. Tawagan ko pala si Kwando. Rai Rai. Magpahimo ko highlights, magpatudlo ko.
You're gonna go out.
Thank you, Dong Tings. Okay, I'm done with your Sarda Chano vlog. Thank you. With your 12 minutes.
Gibutan niya dire.
Kasi na?
Serious.
Mura misuro masiguro na diya, Dong. Hi, Dawan. Pilmel. Si Pilmel ito. Thank you, Idol Pilmel. I'm trying to make a highlight, but I don't know how. Masam na rin, Dong. Tawga, Dong. Tawga palog si Rai Rai, Dong. Mapatudlo ko unsaon. I want to know how to do highlights. From the upper right, click create or manage. I don't know how to add a stream marker. Oh, okay lang. Thank you, Pelmel. Thank you. Ako rin. Ay, ito pala. Yeah, okay. I got it. Add a stream marker. Ay lang daw. I got it. And then, unable to add stream marker.
Nice to see you got it.
Dong, you know how to do the